Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix microphone not working issue on your iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 18 and you are facing a problem that your microphone is not working, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to make sure that your iPhone is not damaged. So guys, after this then you have to just simply take a brush and clean your microphone here. So guys, after doing this then you have to just simply open settings again, and from here guys scroll it below, and here you can see privacy and security, tap on it. Scroll down and here you can see microphone, tap on it, and you have to make sure that the all toggles should be allowed from here. So guys, after this then you have to just simply go back and again go back and scroll up, and here the option of journal. So guys, simply scroll down and here you can see shutdown. So guys, simply shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that guys open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Again tap on reset and simply tap on reset all settings. After that enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all settings for one time. So guys, after resetting your all settings for one time, then you have to just simply close the page, and after that guys you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, simply press and hold the volume up and volume down button and power off button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, simply force restart your device for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.